Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we're going to see how to shift a row down in Excel. Excel is a popular spreadsheet application in which the workspace is laid out into forms of rows and columns. On many occasions, you will need to shift a row down in Excel. So this needs to be done without disturbing the data either in the row itself or surrounding the row. So there are three ways of doing this. Let's look at the first way, which is to insert a row. So now in this example, suppose I want to move row number 5 down. I want to move this row down. I select the row, right click, and from the context menu, select insert. When I do that, I have some options too. I can shift the cells down or insert an entire row. In this case, I just want to shift the cells down. I want to move the row down, so I'll select shift cells down and say OK. So in this case, when the row is moved down, everything beneath it also moves. So the effect is to insert a blank row over here. Now let's undo this and look at the second way. The second option is to drag and drop. So in this case, if I want to shift the row down, what I can do is I can, again, I select the row, then hover over the corner, it turns into a move pointer. Then I press shift button, click and drag the row down to wherever I want it moved. And I can see that the row has been shifted down. It's important to hold the shift button down while you're doing this because if you don't, when you drag and drop it, it'll try to overwrite the data. But if you hold the shift button down while moving, it will just it'll move it and it won't overwrite the data at the destination. So this is the second way of shifting a row down. Now the third way is to cut and paste it. So what I'll do is I'll select the row again by here again I'm selecting the entire row by clicking on the row number and press Ctrl X, or I can right click and say cut from the context menu. Go to the location where I want it inserted and here again press right click. And then here the option comes insert cut cells because I've already cut the row from above. So I'll say insert cut cells and the row is moved down. So these are three ways in which to shift a row down in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.